Today I want to show you how I clean the track that collects the condensation and sends it down to the condensation collector. I couldn't seem to find a technical term for this, so we'll call it the condensation collector or track. So when the lid's on and steam collects in the lid, there's a runoff of steam that collects in this track, and it goes down into here and runs off into the steam collector. Right now, I'm not sure if you can see, but my track is dirty and I need to clean it. So I found at the dollar store, surprise, surprise, a bottle washing set for baby bottles. And this one here works really, really well. So I get it wet and I just thread it underneath these nibs, for lack of better words, and I give it a scrub. I hold down with my finger wherever possible and I give it a scrub. And already, without a whole lot of work, you can see that it's getting clean, which is nice. So the whole idea is if there's any residue of food particles in there, I can push it to the larger area and then it's easy for me to clean the track. So all I do is just put the little brush into my sink water, soapy water, give it a run, do it the other way. When I first got my pots back, I got my first Instapot December 24th, 2014, and today is, I believe, November 19th, 2018. So I have been using my Instapots regularly ever since. I very rarely use my stovetop, actually. Okay, so now I want to make sure I've got it clean, so I will take my cloth and sort of roll it, and again feed it under the nib and then push with my fingers and just give it a rub to make sure I've given it a good scrub, and then do it again on the other side. And actually, this is so easy. I used to dread cleaning this track. It was a nightmare until I found this brush that changes the playing field for cleaning the lid, and it's a very, very inexpensive tool that just makes having the pot clean and prepared very well. You can see how I've worn, how much I've used my pot. I've literally worn off parts of this. So with the condensation holder, I just take it off and let it soak in the water, and later on I will give it a good rinse. In the meantime, I will take a damp cloth, clean the inside of my pot, and if by chance there's anything underneath the plate that I can see, I will use this brush and give that a scrub to clean out debris. I hope if you have any questions that you will post them. I will try and help. Like I said, I'm coming up 4 years using the Instapot, and I think I'm pretty clever at using it. I would be happy to troubleshoot for you. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, suggestions for what you'd like to see, I would be happy to try and help.